quail carrot ribbon stuffed silky orange-infused puree. Finish with the rich quail sauce. Let's make it happen.
So porcini mushroom we soak in the water. We will leave it in the water until getting soft. Shallot. Celery in peel. Mushroom thyme. Oyster mushroom. Now portobello mushroom. And now porcini mushroom, just roughly chopped. Olive oil, shallot in, mushroom in, rosemary, thyme in, porcini mushroom stock here, Himalaya salt, black pepper. I add the celery in. So now, gently go next to the breast. Now we have the breast part and the leg part. We need to keep this bone and we need to remove this bone. Now just season the Thai salt, pepper, and here we're gonna stuff the mushroom, the celery, and the herb. Gently roll it. We put the quail Thai leg here, press it tight. Breast, olive oil, pepper, thyme, still a bit. Now put the breast in. So we're gonna sous vide the breast 54 degree and then we sous vide the thigh 65 degree. And just sous vide. Now we do the carrot puree. Cut the carrot half. Shallot, julienne, orange, olive oil, shallot in, thyme in, and then orange juice. Thyme, olive oil, orange of the skin, a little bit of butter. Here is the quail leg. Now we do the carrot ribbon. So now we're gonna roll the carrot ribbon. So now first we're gonna put the carrot ribbon on a plate. And the carrot puree inside the carrots. Put the quail breast here. Then quail leg. And then we finish it with the quail. So now we explain the dish. The dish is made from the quail. So we having the quail thigh is stuffed inside with 4 types of mushroom and celery, and then quail breast, and then we have the carrot ribbon, and then we having the carrot puree stuffed inside the carrot ribbon. Finish it with the sauce. The sauce made with the quail from the quail bone. So here we can see side tender and then the mushroom.
Try it out and let me know how turn it out in the comment. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, Culinary Museum. Don't forget, like and subscribe. For more gourmet inspiration, see you next time.